Labrador Retriever and Flyball, exciting races for high-drive dogs. Labrador Retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world. They are known for being loyal, intelligent, and great with children. However, these dogs also have a high drive to work and play. This drive is why many Labrador owners choose to participate in flyball competitions with their furry friends. Flyball is a fast-paced dog sport that consists of a relay race between two teams of 4 dogs. Each dog runs a course of hurdles, retrieves a ball from a box, and runs back over the hurdles to the finish line. The first team to have all 4 dogs complete the course wins the race. The game is played on a specially designed flyball course that includes 4 hurdles, a box, and a start/finish line. The hurdles are set at a specific height, depending on the size of the dogs participating. The box is designed to hold tennis balls, and it is spring-loaded, releasing the ball when the dog paws a pedal. Flyball is not only a fun activity for dogs, but also a great way to bond with them. Training for flyball involves teaching your dog to retrieve the ball, jump hurdles, and run at high speeds. It also provides an outlet for the dog's high energy and drive. While Labrador Retrievers are great at flyball, the sport is not limited to this breed. Any dog with a high drive to play and retrieve can participate. Flyball is also a great activity for mixed breeds or rescue dogs that need an outlet for their energy. Participating in flyball competitions can be a fun and exciting experience for both the dog and the owner. It also offers an opportunity to meet other dog owners and their furry friends. The sport has become so popular that there are now international flyball competitions, with teams from different countries competing against each other. Flyball can be an excellent way to train and bond with your dog. It provides a positive outlet for your dog's energy and drive, and it can also help build confidence and improve your dog's agility and coordination. Training for flyball is a great way to keep your dog mentally and physically stimulated. To get started with flyball, you can join a local club or attend a training class. Many clubs offer beginner classes for dogs of all breeds and sizes. These classes teach the basics of flyball, including retrieving and jumping hurdles. Before starting flyball training, it's important to ensure that your dog is in good health and up to date on all vaccinations. It's also essential to start slowly and not push your dog too hard. Like any physical activity, flyball can lead to injuries if not done safely and correctly. In conclusion, flyball is an exciting and challenging sport that provides an excellent outlet for high-energy dogs like Labrador Retrievers. It's not limited to just one breed, and any dog with a drive to play and retrieve can participate. With proper training and safety precautions, flyball can be a positive and fun activity for both the dog and the owner. So, why not give it a try? Your furry friend may surprise you with their skills and love for the game.